Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to change or cancel your plan on Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Next, go to Settings in the bottom left corner and choose Plan. Now to change your plan, just choose Change Plan. Select a new one and click on Subscribe. To cancel your plan, go back to Settings and Plan and choose Deactivate Store and choose Pause and Build to keep on building your store. It will, however, not be online, so you can't make any sales. This option costs you $9 a month, or Deactivate Store to fully delete your store. This will cancel your plan, but will keep your store's information for 2 years. So if you want to go back and build it further within 2 years, you can. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.